Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply LUTs or lookup tables to your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I've got some footage here in my timeline of a hiker on a mountain, and let's say I want to take this a step further and add some creative influence. So we're going to be messing with the Lumetri panel, and to find that, simply change your workspace, which you can do so by clicking on this button here at the upper right hand side of your screen and going on to the color workspace. So this changes a bunch of your panels, and as you can see at our right side here, we have Lumetri Color enabled. So to find your lookup table, go to the basic correction tab in your Lumetri panel, and you can change your input LUT here. So let's say you have a specific camera. This is how you can quickly change the settings to fit your camera and the type of footage it uses. And you can also use custom LUTs here. So right now I don't have any custom LUTs, but if you have a bunch that you bought from somewhere, let's say a content creator, that's how you would upload them to Adobe Premiere Pro. What I'm more interested in is the creative LUTs here, or the looks. So by default, Adobe Premiere has a few creative LUTs imported, and this is what I'm going to be messing with, since what I'm aiming for is more of a vintage film look. So there are a few here. You have some black and white LUTs from Kodak. These are replications, digital replicas of what black and white film would look like, and some color film as well. So I'm gonna quickly go over them and find one that I like. Ooh, here I really like the warm shading and the low contrast vibe. Really gives it that vintage film look. You can also simulate film fading here with this slider. Going to increase it ever so slightly. Let's say about there is nice. And if we look through our video right now, we can see the LUT has been applied to the entire video. So that's it for this video. It's really quick and really easy. That was how to apply LUTs to your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.